Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Froala tutorial. WYSIWYG editors that handle collaborative editing or content review typically need a read-only mode. This mode allows users to review content without making changes to it. But the ideal read-only mode shouldn't always disable every feature in the editor. For example, what if the user still needs to present or export the finished content? This is why Froala version 5.0.1 introduced enabling specific toolbar buttons in read-only mode. The toolbar buttons enabled on editor off is a configuration option that expands Froala's read-only mode, allowing you to set the toolbar buttons that should remain enabled even when read-only mode is active. It's like a whitelist for editor functionality in these situations. You can choose from among the print, full screen, export to Word, export as PDF, and HTML buttons, along with any custom buttons that you make. For example, you can enable the print and export buttons in document review workflows, enable the Inspect HTML button in content approval systems, or enable full screen mode in presentations. Aside from this, Froala version 5.0.1 brings you better table resizing control. Specifically, it lets you disable independent table resizing for horizontal and vertical dimensions. Very useful for when you need column widths or row heights to be consistent, like in financial reports or data grids. It only takes a few lines of code to implement these features. So, upgrade to version 5.0.1 today, and be sure to try them out, especially if your app deals with document review. As always, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Froala content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.